model number. It's here 053409. It means it from about 1950 to 60 decades. It is restored, oiled and polished. As you can see, the glossy bracelet here, the Seiko mark and the Japan sign here. All are original and genuine parts. You can have the idea about the movement number 6309602CA5. It's a very rare model, very rare design of dial. As you can see, it's a extremely nice blue dial. It's working, you can see on the dial. The restoration is done very nicely. I love this watch. It's a very nice watch.